Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the Chase app to set up credit card spending alerts step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. If you are using an iPhone, go to the Apple App Store. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Chase. Look for the official Chase mobile app in the search results. Check the developer name to ensure it's from JP Morgan Chase. Tap on the Chase mobile app. Select the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Chase app. If you are a new user, select Register to create an account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. If you already have an account, select Login and enter your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the Alerts or Notifications section. Select the option to set up credit card spending alerts. Customize your alert preferences according to your spending habits. After configuring your alerts, save the changes. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Now you are all set to receive your credit card spending alerts directly on your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.